Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the LUXJET 5-watt solar fountain pump. It is a garden water pump for pond, bird bath, and it is a fountain. Yeah! Maximum flow 380 liters per hour. Energy saving and eco-friendly, powered by a solar panel. No charger or electricity needed. The stronger the sun, the higher the water will spray. High efficiency and strong stability automatically run and pump water under the sun. Made up of aluminium and ABS plastics, it's safe and reliable for the added durability. It is easy to install and convenient to disassemble, no screws or plugs required. Totally hassle-free. It's flexible that you can move the different locations as you wish. Multiple fountain nozzles great for different spraying patterns, and the nozzle is very simple to clean and replace. Wide scope of spraying the water. It flows up to 380 liters per hour with maximum height of 47 inches. These are up to 120 centimeters. It brings more freshness and purified air to your garden pond. Oh, and I like this. Really nice. So let's have a look what we are getting if we dip this pump under the water surface, and then we push the pump additional parts on top, and after we placed the solar panel into the sun, it comes in so beautiful fountain, and it is energy saving power on the maximum level, because you do not need any electronical supplement. The only one you need is love and the sun. If the sun is not getting enough power for the fountain pump will does not work. Okay, but this is not hard for you. That means it is a summertime fountain pump, and you will like it too. The only one is going to do is now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Now let's head up to the garden zone and have some fun.